Hello again, friends. Welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the O-Resilio Nature 2 rebound shoes. Very cool shoes. Check out the style here. They come in different colors: black, white, lotus, like a flame looking one, and like a green one. So very stylish. I like this. Kind of got the brown one. This is going to go well with my black and brown cargo pants. So these are waterproof. Has some really nice features here. Just a really nice looking shoe. Check out the tread on the bottom of that. It's quite excellent. We have this feature, which is super cool. Let me get that tag off there real quick. I really love this feature about it. So it's just this is some cables that are in here, and so you can just press this in and just tighten that down to lace up your shoes, to tighten it, and to loosen up, you just pull that out and then it just undoes it. It's a very nice feature. Not really going to get your shoelaces untied ever or anything like that. It's just really cool. This is like I believe there's some kind of a cable here, or very tough nylon string there that feeds through these. Like that these are nice leather parts too, so they're not going to break. And we got some hard plastic there and some other parts, so it's going to be pretty secure. Another thing I love about this is the back part is firm, so you can just slide your foot in and it doesn't collapse or anything like that. It also has a good loop here on the back part that's easy to hold on to. An excellent looking shoe. I'm going to try these on, perhaps do some little testing, of course, and I'll give you my final thoughts. But initially, just a good looking pair of shoes there for sure. Goes with just about anything. Nice kind of subdued colors. If you do like your shoes a little bit more on the flashy side, the other colors kind of cater to that, so it's doable. What do they also give me here? There's a little thing here. Check that out. So we got some little socks too, some little ankle socks. Nice padding on there. Got the O-Resilio brand name on there. Very cool. Like I said, these are supposed to be like waterproof. Do have like kind of like a nice like rubber coating on the outside. So we'll be testing out the waterproofness of these. Maybe take them to the ocean or something. Maybe, you know what I mean. Anyways, my friends. Yeah, I really like this feature a lot. If you have your shoelaces come untied, maybe even tripped over them before, you know they can be hazardous. This is just a really neat idea. I've never had these on a pair of shoes before, and I just think it's quite clever. Anyways, let's go test it out, shall we? Well, friends, I took these out for a little spin, walked on some asphalt, took them to the beach, jumped around on some logs and things like that. The traction on the bottom is excellent. I didn't feel like I was slipping or anything. If these get a little loose because your feet are moving around them, you can always give them a couple more clicks to tighten them down, or you can pop it out a little bit and it'll loosen by itself if you want. Either way, so super easy to adjust for the comfort of your feet. I took these for a little spin in the water as well to test out the waterproofness, and it was actually quite excellent. No water got in my shoes, and even though these are waterproof, they're breathable, so it didn't feel like my feet were getting all sweaty or anything like that. These are nice that they're waterproof. You can just hose them off, so even though I did go to the beach, they're really easy to clean off and take care of. I love the fact that they have basically a little shoehorn built in the back of these, so you can just super easy to slide your feet in and out without having to bend over to do that. So very, very convenient and comfortable shoes. Whether you're walking, hiking, running, or just using them for leisurely, all around use, these things are pretty amazing. All right, friends, so if you want to check these out, I'll link these in the description below. If you click on that link and you buy the shoes from there, you save an additional 10% off. So yeah, they're super, super cool. I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.